Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace license plate light bulbs on your Subaru Legacy. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a new replacement bulb, and a soft cloth. Before starting, make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. This straightforward process usually takes less than 10 minutes for each bulb, making it a quick and easy fix. Now, let's access the bulb. Locate the clear plastic lens that covers the license plate light, usually found above your license plate. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the small notch on one side of the lens. Gently pry the lens off. Be very careful during this step to avoid scratching your vehicle's paint or damaging the delicate plastic tabs that hold the lens in place. After completing your forms, take them to the court clerk's office to file them. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, which can vary but is often around $200 to $300. Next, you must legally serve your spouse with the filed papers. This usually means hiring a process server or sending them via certified mail with a return receipt requested. Proper service is a critical legal requirement. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reinsert the bulb socket into the housing and twist it approximately 1/4 turn clockwise until it locks securely into place. Next, carefully align the clear plastic lens and snap it back into its original position, ensuring all tabs are engaged. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that your brand new license plate light bulb is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.